Wow, look at this tomato egg curry. Nice smooth gravy, eggs are crispy, and it looks delicious. Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're all doing well and having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to cook for you egg tomato curry. It's going to have a bunch of tomatoes with a nice smooth gravy and a bunch of spices as well. So let's get cooking and enjoy. Here I've got 5 green chillies. Let's make thin slits across so that all the spices get absorbed. Wow, look at this. Look at this, doesn't this look good? Here I've got 5 tomatoes. If I cut them nice and small, you get a nice smooth gravy. This gives a nice tomato-ish gravy. First, let's add a cube of butter, onions, then the peppers. We can let them cook for about 3 minutes till it turns slightly brown. If you'd like to make the onions brown a little faster, you can add a little bit of salt. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now the onions look nice and brown, and the peppers also look good. They're nice and soft. You want these tomatoes to be fully cooked. Once it's well cooked, then you get a nice tomato gravy. You can let it cook for about 4 minutes. Wow, look at this. Now it's become more mushed up. Now you can add the spices. As always, in most Indian recipes, we put in turmeric powder, chili powder for that spiciness, garam masala to garam, and we also have egg masala. You add a little, and some salt. You can always add the spices of your choice. Here I'm adding tamarind concentrate. I like my tomato egg curry to be a little bitter. Let's add a little bit of water and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Look at this, it's nice and smooth. This is how you'd like your tomato gravy to be. First, let's add a little bit of oil. As you fry, we can make little holes on the egg so that all the spices get absorbed. You'd like the eggs to be a little brown, toasted on either side. Now this looks good. This makes the eggs a little harder, a little crispy. Here are 6 eggs. We can let this cook for a minute so that all the spices are absorbed into the egg. Look at this, doesn't this look good? I love coriander, so let's add lots of it. Look at this tomato egg curry. Doesn't this look yummy? Wow, look at this. This has come out delicious. Wow, it's doing delicious. The spices are just right. Eggs are cooked, eggs are crispy, and it's yummy. If you love the video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.